So lot of development. So we will just wait for few more to join, then we'll start. So yesterday we had some uploaded more than one, I think 2 or 3 content tutorials we have uploaded, and little different topic also. I faced some issues with the chat GPT, so I thought you also should be aware of it and you can take precaution accordingly. That I will explain to you. Let people join. And another important announcement I will make it regarding this live sessions. I will tell you also that regarding a time frame, for particularly at a time will be coming online, and so it will be easy for you to track. And in a daytime, fine, it is okay. You can join me anytime. Now, friends, this is surprisingly, I got some questions on regarding a very basic HTML. So I just had some videos on that, and on that some questions were there. Give me the code. So what happens when on the screen I am explaining the things on the screen? I expect 4 or 5 lines of code, so you can just read and type it. But it is always that you give a easy way to copy the code, and that is what I was missing it. So though the link to the download code was there, but just 4 lines or 5 lines of code was not there. So always it is better that that particular say that to download the source code should be given, even if it is 3 to 4 lines also. It is better to give that one. So I have added it. It is on a checkbox and all. So it I have just added it and uploaded. I hope you are. And quite sometime I am also getting some questions that asking me why checkbox, why not radio buttons. Let me just tell you before others join, before I tell you about the Python and all. It is like say you are going for a breakfast, so the menu is served to you and you can select multiple food items. Fine, there you need a check button. But at the end of the food item, you need a drink, you need a tea, coffee, lemon tea, milk, or whatever it is. So there you will take one item only. So there you have a, even though the choice is given, there you need a radio button to select one of the many choices. And a check button is where you have more than one choice to make. Say I may take some bread, I may take something else, orange, this, that, many things I may take it. So more than one choice is there. There it is the check buttons and the radio button is there. This is what I'm morning again I clarified that one. So why to check button, why not? Even that same thing applies when you have Python Kinter application. You are giving a choice or option to the users always. Uh, hi, hi all, welcome. So with this choice now, okay, since people you have all joined, so let me just tell you about yesterday's upload. So I had an issue with the chat GPT yesterday. So this was what has happened when I uploaded it. When I started working it, I was logged out. So I logged in again. Then I found that all it has prompt it has forgotten. So the whatever fine tuning I had done it to give to come to my this thing my requirement. So all it has missed and given me something else. So then I asked him, give me back those prompts. He does not. Incidentally, earlier also I had, yeah, exactly from India. So earlier, whatever the prompts I was earlier I did, I kept a backup of it. I have explained that how also the backup to take it. So fine, what I did, I copied it from the my backup, and it's a text file only, simple prompts only. What I it's like typing whatever I typed it before. So those things I have pasted it again. Then I got it, and that I want everyone should be aware that it is not that ChatGPT remembers everything whatever prompts earlier you have given. So you be careful, and most important thing, when something you have fine tuned and worked, ask GPT, give me a backup instructions, whatever instructions I have given you, give me a backup so I can keep it. I don't understand. Okay, I hope you can all follow me in English. So you can take the backup from the chat GPT itself and save it in a text file, and there also you can edit it. Suppose you want some changes to be done, edit it. So next time when chat GPT forgets about all your requirements and all, you can simply copy and paste it in the window. Remember, these are the settings, so work accordingly. That's one point. Second thing, yesterday we had uploaded the demo version of the payroll management what you have created for our learning. So it integrated with the SQLite database, and the demo version is we have added it, so you can watch that video also. That is there. Yesterday we uploaded it. So let me just check it whether fine, it is live and you can always see that part here. So payroll management system using Python and Kinter, and here note that SQLite is the database. So SQLite database we are using it, and the demo is there. The script we are modifying it a little bit here and there. We are modifying it, and we'll give you that one also. So note that this is a good learning application, so you can build upon that. That is a modular one once again. So once it is a modular, you can extend it by adding different modules. 3 modules are right now is there. One is employee management, where you can change the basic salary and all. Attendance, that is the key of it. So you can give the attendance to the employees. So on a particular date, selecting on the calendar is absent or present, whatever attendance you want to give, you can give that one. And the third one is pay slip generation. So taking the attendance of the month and taking the basic pay of the particular employee, the pay slip will be generated, and that calculation is done. And meanwhile, if you want to change any of the data, so like attendance, you want to add some more attendance, some more thing, dynamically the pay slip or the amount of salary you have to pay will calculate it. So this is a simple, not very complex things are there, just to understand how things work, how things works in a modular way. Namaste, Pratik. Fine. The yesterday's I was just discussing about the yesterday's whatever the tutorial I have. Namaste. I have uploaded to the demo part of it. So payroll management, you can just take a look at it. Different modules are there. You can work on it. So check that module. I will see, because still some code changes we are working on it. So we'll upload it, and just watch the demo tutorial. It is there already, yesterday uploaded and added to our channel, so you can just see that one. Another thing, yesterday I was just saying that about the chat GPT issues or the AI tool. So always keep a backup of your prompt. Even you can ask the GPT also, give me back whatever the instructions I gave. So these two are the so you can save it, and you can work and edit the one also. So once you edit it, you can in your future reference, you can ask something else and all. One more thing, just because many are joined now, some basic HTML questions I am getting. So this is on checkbox and radio button, the difference. Checkbox are usually given to the user or shown to the users when multiple choice are given and more than one choice is to be made. Say I want what food I want to, a menu system suppose I have, what food I want to take it. So there I will give this rice, dal, this, that. So multiple items are there, so I can pick up one. But what drinks, because at the end suppose I want to take a drink, so what is tea, coffee, milk or whatever it is. So there I have to make one choice only. There the radio button comes. When I have multiple choice, or say what are the languages you know? There are people who may be knowing more than one language, say C language, Python, PHP, MySQL, SQLite, anything. So there are multiple choices there. So a check button is to be given. Fine. Have you cleared your exam? There can be yes or no answer. So one of the things. So what's your qualification? Then it will be one only. Usually people will be giving one, the highest qualification what he got. So there is a radio button to select one of the given options. So this is a question I got, so I thought it's better. And this thing applies not only to though the question was on PHP, HTML background, but this applies to our Kinter applications, Python also. So whenever a user interface is given, so if it is a multiple choice, check button, one out of the several options, it's a radio button. So plenty of options are there. There you need and one something to be selected, then combo box. So it is like that. So you can combo box or menu buttons, many things are there in that, in the Kinter. We have already discussed. You can see the tutorials on it. These are the two development, and one important announcement is most likely from every day evening Indian Standard Time at 7:30 I will be coming live for 5-10 minutes. You can put your questions beforehand or thing. I'll put the banner there, so you what happens in the YouTube you can in advance commit, and I'm fixing this time for 7:30. We'll see at 7:30 I'll be online. If possible today I will put the banner. So 7:30 in the evening time, Indian Standard Time 7:30. So you can give your questions, discuss with me in advance. You can put your questions, or there you can ask me the questions. We will discuss more about that. So if anything more is there, please share with me. Any questions you want, or any particular tutorial you want on this Python, Kinter, MySQL, SQLite, database management, PHP, web programming, HTML, these areas you want anything from, you can. Hopefully, friends, your holiday seasons are over and you are joining your respective institutes or organizations or colleges and continue started your learning. So I hope you this year also you will have a good learning, lot of learning sessions, and you will interact with us. And please add increase the like also. So there are only one like. Please increase the like, and tell your friends also to join the session. Anyway, I'm coming online frequently, and we are also adding tutorials. Anything more, any more questions or any details you want, you can put it here, or you can subsequently write to me also. If no more questions are there, I will stop the session. And today we are don't have any specific thing. If possible, I put the poster and commit at in the community section. I will put a image that 7:30 p.m. evening Indian Standard Time. So I'll be online and you can interact with me also. And we'll think on about our tutorial section, what you are planning to start for some time. And if no more questions, then we'll close the session today. Again, remember the time 7:30 p.m. and please like the session and subscribe to our channel. Send it the links to your friends also to join. So we'll have a good interaction and a learning session. Okay, friends, if you don't have any more questions, let's close the session here. And hopefully today 7:30 I'll put the message, or tomorrow during this time. Anyway, I'm coming online and discussing with you regarding whatever the tutorials or thing. And if you have any question specific, you can ask me here. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and increase the likes. Thank you. Thank you very much.